Hello guys, welcome to official channel of Makeup Studio Training Center. This is your makeup educator Avleen Bansal, and today we are going to do a very simple and glowing festive makeup look. As you can see, this makeup look is very versatile and you can easily do it for your clients for upcoming wedding and festive season. So keep watching.
The key to flawless makeup is clean skin.
So I've already cleansed her skin with Quick Face and Eye 3-in-1 cleanser. A good primer makes everything go smooth. I am priming the face using Pre-Base, which has non-oily formulation. The skin feels so soft and supple.
Use concealer in the areas where you see discoloration like dark circles, around the mouth, forehead.
Now using orange undertone concealer for under eye dark circles. Blend it with sponge. Next, use a skin tone concealer to cover the orangish effect. Blend again to even out the face.
Pick a foundation shade that is most close to your client's skin tone. Figure out the undertone by analyzing it as neutral, pink or yellow.
Start the application from the center part of the face and blending it outwards. Now using a sponge for more finishing. Always set the foundation with a loose powder. I am using translucent powder extra fine and the shade is number 1. Now I am using a bronzer to warm up the complexion and to sculpt the features like cheekbones, jawline, nose. Next, we are using a soft color blush on the apple of cheeks and the shade is Soft Peach. Now adding a powder highlighter for that 100-watt festive glow. Now let's begin with the eye look. Using an eye primer to hide away any discoloration and for stronger color intensity, blending it evenly on the entire lids. Take a fluffy brush to apply transition color above the crease. I'm using plum shade. You can also use shades like pink, orange, brown or rust. Now I'm using a matte brown eyeshadow for the outer corners of the eye, blending it inwards and outwards with precise strokes. Next, I am using a loose eyeshadow called Shiny Effects in the shade Bronze Pearl, taking it on a flat brush, pat it and then swipe it on the eyelids. Make sure you blend it nicely. Next, I am using cream liner in the shade Black to line the upper and bottom lash line. Smudging this liner for a soft and sultry effect. Now I am topping the cream liner with a matte black eyeshadow. Using mascara 3D for wispy lash results. Fill in the eyebrows naturally using a brow powder. You can apply a lip color according to the outfit or client's personal preference. And here you go with the festive special easy to do makeup look. Thanks for watching guys. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel or join our academy to learn in person.